Hi, Jen here from Jen Michelle Coaching, and today I want to talk about how to stop being insecure. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love to invite you to do so. I post a video Sunday of each week. How to stop being insecure. This is a question I get from women all of the time, especially in dating and relationships. How do they stop this from taking over what feels just sabotaging to what the deeper part of them wants? And so I'm going to give you 3 things that you can really implement in your own life so you can show up as that confident, high value woman that you know that you are deep down, that's buried underneath some of the fear and anxiety that shows up. Number 1, stop being a people pleaser. Notice this within yourself. Notice yourself really not liking others to experience discomfort or just any level of upset, and how instinctively, if you have a tendency to take responsibility for it and try to step in and fix it so they don't have to experience any just challenging emotion, and instead trust that the man that you want to be with is someone you want to be able to handle difficult emotions when they come up, and to be a big boy and really work through it and come to the other side of it. And so I invite you to slow down enough and to really notice why you're saying yes to something or why you're choosing to do something, and to make sure that aligns with the deeper part of yourself, meaning that you're not just sweeping something under the rug or taking action out of fear or avoiding any level of discomfort that you may have to feel or the other person may have to feel as a result of you really honoring and being true to yourself. And practice adjusting in any way that's necessary to truly connect to what you need and honor that decision by decision in each moment of the interactions. Number 2, notice who you're drawn to. Meaning, are you drawn to others that don't love themselves? Are you drawn to others who are in a very wounded energy, who are just more negative or self-defeating? And just notice this. And I'm not, of course, saying you need to do some huge overhaul in your life, but pay attention to the energy in which you surround yourself with. And if you are finding that you don't have good modeling for what loving oneself and what being in a secure, solid place from within looks like, start really making an intention to cultivate that within your life. Start opening up new doors and expanding your life in a way where you expose yourself to other women or other people in general that are in a place of loving and acceptance of who they are, by joining new groups, new activities, or just opening yourself up to seeing it in a different light when you're out and about in your city or wherever you may be. But really make it an intention to surround yourself with people who are positive and who really love and accept themselves on a deeper level, and you'll find that this energy is contagious. Number 3, you recognize when you're reacting to feelings of unworthiness or undeservingness from deep within, meaning you're not letting old wounds lead, and you're pausing and allowing that emotion, that fear, that anxiety to pass, and then respond to whatever it is that's going on from a place of just really re-regulating, centering yourself, and from that, deeper space within you that's filled with love and abundance and just that steadiness. So we want to stay still in those moments and allow it to pass, not letting that action lead, because whenever we take action out of insecurity, it just leads to more insecurity. So really developing the discipline to allow all of those emotions to pass, and all emotions will, they are fluid, and reaching a place of steadiness from within where you can see clearly from a place of love and from a place of positive energy what the next step is. I am confident if you practice these three tips that I've included here, that you will start to find that your self-confidence will increase, and you will start leading from a more centered and more confident and more high-value space within any stage of relationships or love. If you would like more information, please go to my site, jenmichellecoaching.com, and you can check out my different programs and blog there.